Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Miranda at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with another monthly plan with me in my dashboard extension layout planner, which I will be using in conjunction with my classic monthly, my classic happy planner until the end of the year. Now, before we get started, I would like for you guys to do a couple of things for me. Promise it's short and easy and it does not require much effort. So the first thing, if you enjoyed this video or any video that you see with my name on it, give me that thumbs up and let me know that you enjoy watching the video. And then comment. Let me know that you've been by. Let me know something you liked about the spread, something that you wanted me to do differently, something you expected to see but didn't see. Any type of dialogue. I'm here for it. Absolutely. And the third thing I need you to do for me is to make sure that if you're not subscribed to my channel, that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there below. I would love to have you here. And as I always shout out my A1s for day ones, thank you so much, guys, for the support that you guys have had for me. And then finally, if you're not following me on Instagram, hop over to Instagram. I am there at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan as well. All right, so the most difficult portion of this process is already done. Not difficult, it's just tedious to date a undated planner. But I went ahead and took care of that before we got started. Now, I'm going to be using washi from these two glitter washi tapes from Hobby Lobby, and also this Simply Gilded WashiCon washi. I think it's so cute. Washi tape of washi. That is awesome. Okay. And as far as sticker books, I'm going to be using my Bright sticker books. This is one of the new ones from Michaels, along with the tiny sticker book. And I brought out, yes, I know, haven't used them in a minute, but these are the fitness sticker plans. You know, I did join Weight Watchers. I'm not going to say that I'm doing great. I'm not going to say that I'm doing good, but I joined, okay? Joining is the first step. All right, and we are just going to lay weigh-in stickers because I need to weigh once a week. So we're going to go ahead and alternate this. I'm going to make this kind of teal, pink, purple, gold. So that's what we will lay here. I like this little ombre one. You're going down super crooked. And then let's get one more of the teal. Okay. All right, so that's one thing that I wanted to do. As you guys know, I do not do a lot of special stuff to my monthly spread. I like to put the detail in on my on the weekly view. Okay. So something else that I wanted to do is I wanted to notate my paydays. So I'm going to grab this tiny sticker book and I'm going to indicate my paydays. Okay, I was going to say I saw a whole entire page. And yes, there's probably ones that go better with the spread than this, but I have rarely used these payday stickers, so I'm going to go ahead and put them down here. Yes. All right. That is so good. I also get my nails done, and I'm going to grab the mom sticker book because I think the Mani Petty sticker is just a little bit smaller than in a tiny sticker book, being that I stuck this on here. And it's normally the third Saturday, so it's going to be on the 18th that I have to go get my nails done. That one is kind of big as well. Let me get the mini mom book. I just need a little one. Or it doesn't really even matter. I can grab this trend. I have a Trendsetter mini here. Let's see if there's one in there. Yeah, that's kind of big. Too big. See, our mom mini book. Is that you? Yes, here's the mom mini. So let's see if the mom mini, The sticker is definitely smaller, and we will just put this greenish color, greenish bluish color right here to indicate when I need to get my nails done again. It's about every 3 weeks. So, all right, that looks good. I saw some stickers in the Bright Book that I wanted to pop into the spread that I liked. And so it's like purple. It's actually this sticker where it's kind of like purple and teal. And I love to put stuff in this area because there's nothing there. So why wouldn't we put stuff in this area? Okay, I want this more towards the bottom. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. And I think what I want to do, so I can put a little bit more of that purple in there, is here where these little stickers are. I'm going to cover them with one of those because I do have goals, but maybe I can move it up so I don't have to cover that. Some things that we want to do. Okay. Trying to see what we want to do. Oh, okay. I know you guys remember I was in love with this hexagon sticker. I just want to make sure that's not one of my only ones. Well, this book is not. This book we will be able to replace. So I'm not even tripping. I don't even know why I gave a second like I'm conserving and hoarding my stickers, because I'm certainly not. All right, so right here where it says notes, we are going to put this little hexagon checklist here so we can bring more of that purple into the spread. Okay. Let's see if we can find a cute little quote that is the same color. Thus far, I have not found a quote that I wanted to put in there. I found one that I like, and it has different shades of pink, but it incorporates that purple, and it says happy planner babe, because honey, that is me. I am a happy planner babe. Okay, let's start laying down some of this washi. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, let's get us an X-Acto. Yes. Oh. That's the only thing sometimes about this glitter washi. Two things. It sometimes you have glitter everywhere, or if you don't have glitter everywhere, sometimes it doesn't want to stick. So, you know, it's like a pick your battle type thing. I'm gonna hit these sides. See, the whole entire washi just pulled up for no reason. It's like you really got to press it down if you want it to stay inch by inch. I mean, it will stay, but you got to help it. Alrighty. All right, I'm going to go under the bottom here with the gold. I think it's pretty, and I think it will pop out everything. Okay, let's see if we cannot bring this in better. Okay. All right, I'm gonna flip this upside down so you guys can actually see me laying it. All right, so it's not hard, it's just a little tedious because you gotta make sure that you're laying it down inch by inch because it does come back up. So just making sure that you give it a good press, just like that. Okay. And let's cut that off there. Well, I thought I cut it. Well, you guys witness me cutting it now. It coming up, another issue. Okay. So I like how that's outlined. And then trying to think of places to interject our washi-ception. I really want to use this washi tape. So maybe we can lay it up here. And let's do like a fishtail maybe. So what I typically do, and I may do mine differently than some, is I like to cut it off, pull it up, and cut my little fishtail. So I fold it in half. Well, first thing I'm going to do is cut this even. Okay, and then you want to cut yourself just a little V. You want to make sure your washi tape's even so that your little fishtail is even. And that's it. See, nice little flag there. And then you just lay this down. And we can just put this right on the top. It don't have to be anything fancy schmancy. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this off so that it starts with the blue washi. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I think that's cute, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna measure it first and see how much washi tape I need. And then I'm going to cut it. Okay. So here we go. I'm gonna cut it here at the pink. It's fairly straight. We're going to fold it in half evenly. Cut a little fish tail out on there. And let's lay that washi. And I'm gonna bring it a little further down from the November so that it, gonna have to cut a little bit of this off. Let's see. We want it to fit and we don't want it to cover up because I don't feel like punching the holes. That was not on in the plan or on the agenda today. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to cut that whole entire pink one off, which is fine. Or that purple one. All right. So some of the goals that we have some, we can add some airplane icons. Let's see if some are in the mom sticker book. There is travel icons. So I'm just gonna put Friday because Friday is when I'm returning back home. And I'll put it that way. Alrighty. Trying to see if there's anything else we could add. Maybe, you know, a sticker. Wake up and be awesome. Okay. Let's see what else we can find here that we can use. I like this one. It says, do it for yourself. Some things you just have to do for you. You really do. So we'll just put it here on this Saturday to tie that in. All right, that's cute. I'm going to grab a pink pen so I can put more pink on our page. And so we are going to grab this beautiful InkJoy gel in 0.7, and we are going to begin to put down our plans. So our number one plan this month is limit spending. I'm just going to put $ on planner supplies. I need to put myself on a planner spend, no spend, or planner. I just need to limit my planner dollars. Water. I have to do better with my water and exercise this month. And I'm sorry that my finger looks so nasty. I got a paper cut or cut myself with a X-Acto knife last night, I believe. So going to Miami, and we are going to make sure that we track our weight. And this is actually nothing, I'm not tracking my weight in any of my other planners. So I'm tracking my weight, monitoring my Weight Watchers points. And I am still looking for accountability partners to join me on my Weight Watchers journey. I have the digital plan or whatever. So track weight, monitoring Weight Watchers, starting with the gym 2 times per week is what I'm also looking to do. Okay, guys, that is it. That is my completed monthly plan for November. And as you guys know, I've said it 1,000 times, I'm not very busy in the month, but I will get busy in the weeks, I promise you. Thank you so much for joining me with this plan with me. I hope you have an awesome month of November. Ciao, Bella.